Ever fallen in love with someone? Ever fallen in love with someone? Ever fallen in love with someone you shouldn't have fallen in love with? I can't see much of the future unless we find out what's to blame. What a shame.
I realize that she weighs more.
And we won't be together much longer unless we realize that we are the same.
You sure I didn't put the collar on top?
Ever fallen in love with someone? Ever fallen in love?